If you aren't living under a rock, you probably use the internet on your phone every day. Be it for social networking, email, online shopping, or booking a flight, your phone does it all. It is important to keep your data and privacy intact. Use Hi.me VPN on your Android phone to stay protected and unlock everything on the internet. Just search for Hi.me on the Google Play Store and download the app. There is no need for registration or sign up. Simply tap on Enable Protection and you are good to go. It's that simple. Our free plan lets you browse through 500 megabytes of data that can be renewed every 2 weeks. You can track your data transfer easily through the data usage meter built in the app interface, allowing you to monitor and use Hi.me for important online transactions. This plan can be renewed infinite times, so you can use Hi.me free for life. The app automatically finds the fastest server to give you uninterrupted and blazing fast browsing speeds. You can even select a server of your choice. Simply click on the options icon, go to Settings, and tap on Location and choose the preferred server. That's it. Hi.me supports IKE v2 protocol that keeps your data encrypted even on unstable 3G connections. Enjoy unbelievably fast connection and gaming speeds while staying protected. If you love the free Hi.me app, you can easily upgrade to the premium plan. Simply tap on Upgrade and select the plan that you want to buy. With Premium, you get access to all our servers across the world, super fast internet speed, and unlimited data transfers. No need to keep a watch on your transfer limit. Our VPN is the best in the market. That's why we even offer money-back guarantee on our premium plan. Stay protected on the go, no matter where you are. Download the Hi.me Android app today.